Hi, this is a video on how to create a book snap. In front of you, you actually see an example of a book snap where we've taken part of a book that is somewhat important and made it fun and lighthearted with some graphics, some thought bubbles, and some pictures and even some hashtags. And we can use this for anything from character, theme, main idea, vocabulary, lots of different uses for book snaps. So we're doing it using Google Drawing. So I have a blank Google Draw template. And if you need to get there, remember you can just go into your drive and click New and then More, and Google Draw is right there. Okay. And I'm going to start by right-clicking and go to my background. I'm going to give it a gray background for right now, just so I can kind of see it. And now we're going to add the text. And there's a couple ways to do that. The kids can type the text. If you want them to type the text as opposed to take a picture, we're going to actually take a picture. So I'm going to use Insert, Image, and then Camera, which then accesses your web camera. There I am. All right, I have my book, see my lovely book, and here's what I want to take a picture of. I'm gonna put my finger by it so I can kind of gauge if I've got it in there, get it all up good and close. Hopefully I don't move too much, and take the picture. All right, I think the picture is gonna work, so I'm gonna click Insert. If you click Cancel, this all goes away. So there's my picture. I'm going to make it a lot bigger so I can see it. Okay. And then I want to crop the picture. I don't need all of this. I can leave it and I can just put stickers and all that over my words. I can also crop the picture. So if I double click on the picture, you can now see these black lines. I can now kind of crop the picture. See, I moved that blue line, so that's not going to help me. I'm going to come grab that black line. I'll kind of pull some of this up a little bit. All right, and then I've kind of cropped it. You can also click on this crop image tool right here, and that will do that. So let's see if I can make it a little bigger. Yeah, okay. Not perfect, but a little bigger. And then my background, I'm going to just leave it gray, but I could change it. Now I want to insert some fun stuff, like I could insert word art, and I want it to say what works and what doesn't. That's the kind of the big idea. And then I'm going to come and change the font. I'm actually even come in here, and if I want a space, I'm going to Shift Enter. There we go. So there's kind of my word art. And actually, I want to add a shape. Insert a shape, a box. So insert, and then we'll come and insert a box. And I'm going to make it like orange. But then I need to arrange it. I need the words to come in front of it, so I'm going to arrange it. I'm going to order and then send backwards. So now I can see my word art. And then maybe I'm going to let's insert an image. Let's search from the web. Let's look for a carrot and a stick. Let's see if I can find a carrot and a stick. Oh, look at that. There's already some pictures. Look, there's the carrot and the stick. Pick and select it. See, it has that check mark. And hit insert. I don't need it that big. Then I can even double click on that. And I can crop the picture. I'm going to put it up there. And then we'll insert another text box right here and call it main idea, so you know what I'm worried about. I'm going to change the font and the size. And I'm going to even like fill the box with some kind of fun blue. So there you go. So my main idea is what works and what doesn't. Carrot and sticks or so last century. And actually I want to build a line. I want to underline those 3 words. Let's make that line a little thicker. Nope, I don't need that one. Alright, so there we go. Basic, simple BookSnap. I got a little picture, got what I'm going for. I've got my picture of my quote. I've kind of got my idea, what works and what doesn't. I could even add like a thought bubble. And I can just say, because this really got me thinking. And again, changing my fonts, making them bigger. And actually, I'm going to come switch up my pictures. Make my carrot a little smaller. So I'm going to make my words a little smaller. I think I want to actually make my carrot bigger. Alright. And now I'm going to name it. BookSnap. My drive book. And there we go. That's how you basically create a BookSnap.